Bonjour! Welcome to Geometry Level 3, Lesson 3, Parts of a Polygon. Objectives. So at the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the parts of a polygon, and you will be able to locate the parts of a polygon. Then you can answer worksheet activities independently. Materials. So these are the materials you need for this lesson. First, you need your Geometry Level 3 Set 1, and you need a pencil, then shapes, and you need either a tablet or a cell phone. Worksheet. So take note for these pages of your workbook because you are going to answer this page after this lesson. Now let's start the lesson about parts of the polygon. There are three parts of the polygon, and these are the side, the vertex, and the angle. Now, aron masabtan nato ning tulo ka parts sa polygon, we have a shape here, and this is what we call an equilateral triangle. First, let's discuss about side. Now, when we say side, it means one of the line segments that make up a polygon. Ang side daw is mauna siya ang nagbuo sa polygon or a shape. Now, let's go back to the shape. Aron tan-awon karon kung asa ang side makita ani. Okay? Now, diri makita ang side. This. Okay? Kanang blue nga arrow nga gi-point, mauna siya ang side sa polygon. Okay? Now, let's count how many sides does an equilateral triangle have. It has 1, 2, 3. So, mauna ang mga sides sa polygon nga gi-point sa blue nga arrow. And we can say that an equilateral triangle has 3 sides. Okay? Now, let's proceed to vertex. And when we say vertex, it means the point where two sides met to form an angle. Now, ang vertex daw is ang point nga mabuo pag magtabo ang duha ka sides. Okay? Now, we already locate asa makita ang side. Now, let's locate the vertex. Okay, going back on the shape, atong i-point kung asa dari ang vertex. Okay? Now, this is what we call vertex. And now let's count how many vertex does an equilateral triangle have. It has 1, 2, 3. So, kada magmet ang mga lines, maka-form gina siya og vertex. Okay, and we can say that an equilateral triangle has 3 vertices. Okay, moving on, let's talk about angle. Now, when we see angle, formed by two adjacent sides inside the polygon. Okay, ang angle daw can be found inside the polygon. Okay, now let's locate the angle aning atong equilateral shape. Okay, let's start. Now, this is what we call an angle. Okay, kung ato makita, atbang siya sa vertex. Now, let's count how many angles does an equilateral triangle have. It has 1, 2, 3. So, we can say that an equilateral triangle has 3 angles. So, these are the parts of the polygon, the side, vertex, and angle. And now, let's have another example. Let's have a shape, regular pentagon. Now, let's locate the side, vertex, and the angle. And let's count how many sides and vertices and angles does a regular pentagon have. Okay, let's start on this side. A regular pentagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, a regular pentagon has 5 sides. Okay, let's proceed to vertices. Let's count how many vertices does a regular pentagon. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, a regular pentagon has 5 vertices. And the last one, the angle. Let's count. Okay, angle can be found inside a polygon, right? Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, a regular pentagon has 5 angles. And now let's have another shape. and it is one of the circular shapes, and its name is circle. Now let's count how many side, vertex, and angle does a circle have. Okay, let's start on the side. Now a circle has only one curved side. Again, a circle has only one curved side. Okay, let's proceed to vertex. Okay, did you see any point here? Nothing, right? Now, we can say that a circle has zero vertex. Same with angle. Okay, now the circular shapes, it has one side, zero vertex, and zero angle. Okay? And now let's have a recap about the parts of the polygon. Again, there are three parts of the polygon, and these are the sides, vertex, and the angle. When we see sides, it means one of the line segments that make up a polygon. Okay, and the next is vertex. It means the point where two sides met to form an angle. Okay, our keyword here is point where two sides met. And for the angle, it states here that formed by two adjacent sides inside the polygon. Okay, our hint here is angle can be found inside the polygon. And these are the parts of the polygon. And now it's activity time. Now for your activity A, you have to choose three shapes from our previous lessons. Do a self video presenting those shapes you choose. Make sure you point and tell the number of sides, vertices, and angles each shape has. Be creative on your video, save the video, and submit to Dojo. And don't forget to have fun. And for your activity B, you have to answer pages 4, 5, and 6 of your workbook Geometry Set 1. Take a picture of each answered page, then submit to Dojo. I know you can do it, so do your best.